Hello and welcome back to the workshop. Today we're going to fit some new lights. I have 4 of them from Screwfix, dual LED 4400 lumen ones, because I'm sure you'll be able to see, and if you go back on my previous videos you'll definitely be able to see that it's not that bright, and I'm sure you all want to see my pretty face. So we'll do some lights, probably one there facing that way, one there facing that way, and then one on that wall facing that way. Should make it a bit better. We'll keep the tube lights seeing as I've got them, and I did have a spare tube light to go on there, but the usual, you always have great intentions of doing things but you never actually do them. So this one will probably be quite a semi-easy, boring maybe video to watch. It'll just be a time lapse, I'd imagine, of me fitting lights, because it's not going to be that exciting. And then it's like, what is it, 4 o'clock just now, so I might be here later on to see what they're like at night. If not, I'll do another camera at night, and then yeah, we'll see what they look like. Cheers. We're done-ish for light number 1. It was some quality wood, some premium screws, and the brackets are, don't know if you can see that, but just screwed onto the wee 45 bit at the bottom. Nah, they turned out alright. On for the next one. Light number 2 fitted. Doing this in the darkness because I've had to turn the power off. These things are really easy to fit, like marked in the end, live and neutral. You really can't go wrong. You can link them together, as you can see there. And then obviously I've got cable running along to here, and I'm getting a hand off my dad because he likes to get involved in doing wiring stuff so that I don't, one, electrocute myself, or, don't know, set a fire, I suppose, which I reckon I wouldn't do either of, but hey ho, nice to work with my dad. Cheers. And of course, when you've got a workshop down at your mum and dad's, it would be obviously rude not to raid the fridge and get some fakey Lidl's, Aldi's maybe, one of the two. Somebody can tell me in the comments, maybe fakey juice, which tastes like the real thing but it doesn't cost the same as the real thing. It's a win-win, man, it's a win-win. Light number 3 fitted, looks good, with some wood on the wall, definitely making a massive difference. It's almost like these old-fashioned tube lights, couldn't even be bothered turning those on and it would be a massive change. But now we're winning here, 1 more to go. Lights done for the day. I know it's bright outside, so it's going to be kind of hard to tell, but we'll close the door. We'll close the door. The biggest door in human history. Oh. Da, 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 da. Yeah. Lovely. That a wee. Whoops. Break the wall as well. That a wee close. Give this a wee close. Already a big change. 2 seconds. Safety first. Right, so lights off. We're getting a wee bit of light through the door, but you can see how dark it is, and it wasn't that much better with those lights. Lights on. Wow, that one's not even turned on yet. Oh, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, got you. See, they don't even make a difference anymore. Go to Screwfix, get yourself some LED 4400 lumen 43 watt LAP. I think I got 4 on a multi-pack deal for 115 quid, and it never took long to put them together. If you get your dad to help you, if you do it yourself, it might take you slightly longer. But now I'm well impressed. I might get another one here, get another one over there, and that's probably about it, to be honest. I think it doesn't need any more. But hopefully you can see me better. I'll find out when I get in and chop this video together, which isn't going to be very long, but yeah. Cheers, guys.